Hello guys, today's video we are talking about Hydra of Lerena, powers, abilities and all details. So without getting late, let's get started the video. Hydra is a mythical sea serpent. He was mentioned in Greek and Roman mythology. He was depicted by water sea dragon. They have multiple heads and Hydra is the children of Typhoon or Echidna. She was female monster and Hydra venom was very deadly. Is the one deep drop destroy every world, and his venomous breath can recontact the people. They will die, and his regenerative powers make more dangerous and immortal, because if they somebody cut one head and his cutting head get two more extra head, and that things making more dangerous. And they have 5 breathing power and nearby immortal by limitless regenerative power, and their huge size. They has lot of advantage. And when Hercules tried to kill Hydra, his regenerative power growing more heads on cutting part, and there is lot of difficulties to kill them Hydra. But Hercules and their friend to almost defeat the Hydra. Hercules cutting down the head, and his friend can destroy the cutting head to stop regrowing, and their main head get underground the Mount Atlas, because if they had died, because that head can kill them, and his death take lot of people lives, and its height is around 50 to 100 feet tall, and length is around 2 to 300 feet long. And that's all. If you watch until the end, like the video, subscribe my channel and turn on bell notification, you don't miss any update. So thank you guys, thanks for watching my video.